Hey guys, my name is Kaila Kake. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a vacation haul, vacation packing. Like, what the heck do I even wear on vacation, girl? What do I pack? I don't know what goes with what. Like, I need help. And girl, I really got you, okay? So today I'm going to be really showing you guys some pieces that I actually styled together so you guys can get some ideas of how to make them pieces hit, okay? And then I'm going to be doing like a part of the video where it's like super easy outfits, okay? Something you could throw on, still look popping, still get them photos for the gram, but it's like just the easiest outfit ever, okay? So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. And before we do that, you already know the drill. Before we do that, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and follow girl on Instagram. Are you following me on Instagram? Are you? Because I really want to know. Are you subscribed? Like, I need to know these things, okay? So follow your girl on Instagram where these pieces will really be hitting, okay? Because I'm not gonna lie, I be looking popping on the gram, okay? Okay, so yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys got some ideas and love these pieces that I picked out. Let me know which outfit was your favorite and which one you're about to go snatch up, because all it is super affordable, like I said. So who don't love affordable outfits? Okay, like, girl, you done already spent $800 on a plane ticket. You done already spent $1,500 on the hotel. Okay, the outfits on top of that, woo, Jesus, like, you know, you gotta save some money somewhere. So your sis got you, I got you, girl. So yeah, anyways, I hope you guys like this video, and I will see y'all in my next one. Peace.